I'm going to show you how to create a form that can calculate a price depending on the distance of two addresses. This is pretty useful if you plan to create a travel, delivery, or relocation form. To start, go to AIO Forms and add a Google Map field. If you don't have AIO Forms, you can install it from the plugin section of your site. To do this kind of forms, the free version is enough. Now back to the form. In this setting, you need to put the address of your store or the place where you are going to be doing the deliveries. You can style the field a little bit. For example, if you are going to create a personal transportation form, you might want to display the route that you are going to follow. Or if you are going to create a delivery form, maybe the map is not needed and you can hide it. Now, this is the good part. To charge for the distance, go to the pricing section and select price per distance. And define the price. In this case, I'm going to charge $1 for each kilometer. If you want to do something more complex, you can also use formulas. For example, in this formula, I'm charging a fixed rate of $50 plus $1 for each kilometer. Or in this other formula, if the distance traveled is less than 50 kilometers, I'm charging $20. Otherwise, I'm charging $2 per kilometer. And that's it. As you can see, it's pretty easy to calculate that price. Or maybe it's easy for me because I built it, but I hope you like it. If you would like me to add something else to this field or the form in general, just let me know.